Hello and welcome to my video. I normally talk about these, but while looking for parts, I discovered one of these. This is a 1964 Bolens Estate Keeper, and this is a really cool mower. It's actually pretty big. It doesn't seem like it, but it dwarfs these little things. This guy is about 600 pounds, whereas the other mowers are about 300. So it's twice as heavy. And what's cool about it is when you steer, it articulates at this point here. And it has a PTO drive shaft that goes up front with a 4-speed gearbox, 3 plus reverse, and it has this really cool engine cover, which I first thought was fiberglass, but it's metal, and the tires are all shot, so I'm gonna have to fix the tires. It's really hard to move. These are slashed. So this was a barn find. I was told this sat in a barn for many years. As far as I understand, one of these is choke and the other is throttle. And this I don't think is factory, but it might be either for a light or some kind of kill switch. I'm not sure. But it doesn't start, doesn't do anything. I'm pretty sure that I have to go deeper and figure out why. But if I undo this latch, this is the original Wisconsin motor. And I played around a little bit with this for just a few minutes, and giving it battery, I can't make it even try to turn over. But these have a low and a high speed. So this is the high speed belt. And when it gets into snow blowing or pushing season, you get a different belt. You take this one off and you switch it to the big pulley on the transmission, and it goes a lot slower, and that's the low range. And then these two belts are the front and back PTO belts, as far as I'm aware. And that's pretty much where I'm at with this. I just got it. I haven't done anything. I kind of just wanted to take some shots to show the initial state. And I'm going to work my magic.